So first, let me explain exactly what SEO Hero AI Audit Tool is. It's basically SEO, AEO, Google Search Console data, your Shopify data, like your products, your sales, your orders, all that good stuff, your brand, who you are, what makes you special, who your competition is, and let's grow your business. That's SEO Hero. So if we combined all this together into one tool to help grow your store, this is going to be the absolute ultimate tool. We're basically combining everything into 5 easy steps that I think any business needs to do with their digital marketing. Research first, collect the data from Google Search Console, do keyword research with Ahrefs, competitive keyword research. Then optimize your store through a series of checks and fixes that give you an audit score, but at the same time, you can click on it and click optimize, and our SEO Hero agent will just do the work for you. Then grow is opportunities for creating new products and new pages and new blog posts on your website. Auditing is to individually audit a particular page one at a time if you want more granular control. And tracking is that Google rank tracking and LLM rank tracking. One common complaint about SEO tools is it's just too much data and no one knows where to start. Our app compiles all the information for you and gives you a very simple, easy to follow, clear path where to start and where to finish. Let's start with a real live store. The problem with this store, this is a martial arts store selling boxing equipment. But if you go into a lot of these products, they're very thin. They have almost next to no information and no reviews. And there's nothing that separates why you should buy this belt over another belt. If we do a simple Google search, it just doesn't come up across his competition. He comes up here as number 5. But if you look at his competition, you're going to see more information. There's just more data. I get it. As a Shopify store owner, you don't want to hit people with these massive pages. But guess what? We have techniques in store for you to get information into here that's going to help you rank, but not clog up your page with a huge wall of text and keyword stuffing. So that's where the magic of our tool comes into play. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when setting up this app, you're going to want to start in the research. So let's go into research here, and you're going to want to connect your Google Search Console through the settings. This is more of like the granular control. If you want products, pages, collections, and you want to assign keywords manually like this, or if you want to generate keyword ideas with AI. And if you have Google Search Console connected from Google Search Console Sync. But I realized that if you have thousands of products, you don't have time to do this one by one. Therefore, you're going to head over to the optimize screen and you're going to go into the keyword setup, and you can get the AI agent to do all this for you for all your products. You can fix something one fix at a time. So these are optimization packages. So basically fixes that are related to each other. For example, content optimization, keyword rich content, content length, keywords in H2, keyword in opening paragraph. This can all be combined into one gigantic fix found in the optimized package. So that's again a difference between our tool and other tools. Scalability. Most SEO tools do things one by one, where we have a bulk tool. So let's go ahead and do everything all at once to showcase the scalability. Pressing select all and getting the AI agent to just do the AI optimize with hundreds or thousands of products within about 10-15 minutes is a huge benefit for those store owners that have thousands of products. You have some options here to override existing assignments or preserve existing keyword assignments. So if you were in the research tab and you were manually adding keywords yourself, because let's say you and your team have internal knowledge of a certain product and you know that there's a keyword that is more important, you can add it manually. By preserving the keyword status, the AI agent will preserve any manual work that you have done. Another benefit of our app, preservability. And you can travel around the app while a check is happening, a process. We call these bulk processes. It'll show you how many credits it's going to remove, and it'll do the run. And when the run is done, you can view the changes here. If you want to check out your history, you can go into history and see there was a bulk run that was done. If you do individual edits, they're going to come up as individually. And if you do a bulk run, like what we just did, puts it into an accordion and shows you everything. After fixing it with an AI fix, you can click here and you can see the before and after. The before was it wasn't set. The after is this new keyword. And if you want to see information as to why, you can simply click on why this keyword was selected and you can have some information. We do have a backup and restore system that lets you restore changes. Even though this optimization happened, it recognized that we do have some guardrails and safety guards. This is another kind of benefit of our app. We have checks and audits that happen after a bulk run, which you can go ahead and fix another bulk run. But for people who want granular control and they only want to fix one optimization or fix, also known as a fix, at a time, you can just head over to the by problem and click on it there. All right, so now the score has definitely improved for these keywords. There's SEO agencies that charge thousands of dollars per month to do your SEO each month, and our app is $99 per month to give you the power of what an agency is going to be charging you thousands of dollars for.
So this is really what separates SEO Hero from a typical Shopify SEO app. Most tools guess what you should target, hand you a score and a long list of disconnected tasks, and then make you optimize products one at a time. SEO Hero uses your actual Google Search Console, Shopify, product, and brand data to guide you through one clear workflow. You can optimize hundreds or even thousands of pages in bulk, create fixes that actually fit your store, and still see the evidence, the before and after results, and restore any change.
I really hope that this demonstration really helps showcase the power of SEO Hero, where things are going, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.